It's a pretty big box. It looks like more of the migration collection. This one has migrating animals, so it's called Migratory Map. I love this collection. It's very playful and fun. Again, I see these larger scale prints becoming wonderful quilt backs or focus fabrics in your projects. This one looks like birds migrating. And of course we have our lovely humpback whales. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. And who doesn't love a lovely warm-colored puffin? And different birds and butterflies. Very unusual, very creative. We have very excellent, what are they, wildebeests maybe, or some other kind of animal? Yeah, they are wildebeests. This is considered a red colorway. And two more. This one is monarch stripe. Bits of monarch all put together. It's a really cool black and white with a little bit of color. I see that being mixed up with some of Tula Pink's black and white line. And here's a great rainbow. Oh, geez, this is great. This is Pattern on the Move. So again, migratory animals and rainbow all together. How creative is that?